LITE is capturing significant market and investor attention after delivering a standout earnings report that underscored accelerating momentum across its optical and photonics portfolio, particularly in solutions tied to AI data center and cloud infrastructure buildouts. The company posted results well ahead of consensus expectations, with management highlighting strong order growth and improving margins as hyperscale customers ramp deployments of high speed optical transceivers, lasers, and advanced components needed to support next generation AI networking architectures. A major catalyst behind the rally we're looking at right now is the company's sharply increased forward guidance, which reflects both better than expected near term demand and growing confidence in multi year AI driven tailwinds. Management pointed to rising adoption of 800G and emerging 1.6T optical technologies, as well as strong traction in co-packaged optics and advanced laser solutions, all of which position the company as a critical supplier in the backbone of AI clusters and high-performance data centers. This guidance uplift is being interpreted by the market as evidence that AI-related spending remains resilient and is likely to expand further into this year, 2026, and even beyond. Within the community of investors and traders, discussions are centering on the company's evolving strategic importance in the AI ecosystem. Investors are increasingly viewing the company not just as a cyclical optical component supplier, but a structural beneficiary of the massive shift toward AI centric networking. Many see parallels with other semiconductor and infrastructure names that have pre rated higher, and their exposure to AI has become clearer. This narrative shift is helping justify a premium multiple, even as some participants debate whether the stock's rapid appreciation has already priced in much of near term upside. You can read more in the description box below. So the stock is up 11.01%. This is Wednesday, the 4th of February 2026, pre market session. Market is opening roughly in 20 minutes. Yesterday the stock gained 2.76%. So the stock has been showing a lot of strength within a longer term bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average, this one here, is sloping bullishly upwards, and positions opened all the way back from 10 days ago. Yeah, all the way back from yesterday back to 200 days ago, are all in profit. So as things stand right now, the extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that the strength might remain in place. Yes, today it will surely it will maintain the strength today. The market hasn't opened yet, so it will likely maintain the strength it has up till today, and it's actually saying that maybe by tomorrow the 50 might cool off. It might begin to contract somewhat, only to pick up the strength again from Wednesday the 11th, and may hold it all the way towards the 3rd of March. There's absolutely no guarantee that that will be the case at all. Okay, as things stand right now, momentum is expected to remain. It was actually giving up some of the momentum. It was actually bleeding out some of the momentum, but we can't read a lot into that because this is not active yet. So, okay, we'll have a look at the 4-hour chart. So projections on this daily chart are saying 411.16, 446.97, 469.09. Let's see the current price. Okay, it's at 483 right now. Has it surpassed everything? It has surpassed all these projections right now. So we'll just move on to the 4-hour chart. Yes, on the 4-hour chart, the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that a contraction is imminent and is likely to remain that way up till tomorrow the 5th, and then we might see a consolidation towards the Monday the 9th. After that, there seem to be suggesting that the uptrend may resume from then. Nothing to the upside. We have 420.84, 411, 404.06. This is an indication that the stock has gone is in a parabolic regime. Yeah, I remember I read something about being overvalued, being trading at a premium. I mean, yeah, people. Some people think it's quite overvalued. So intraday high 519 printed, I think today. Yeah, 519 dollars. When did it print? It seems to be, it may have been today that they printed it. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, printed that today. Yes, 519. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, let's see. We don't have the market grid here. All we can do is apply the market grid. Before we do that, here as well on the on the 4 hour chart, momentum is expected to continue to weaken. It has already started to wane. It's expected to remain that week. The weakness is expected to remain in place. Is expected to progress and remain in place up till tomorrow. Tomorrow the 6th. Sorry, Friday the 6th. Okay, let's have a look at its market grid and see what we have. It will give us a range of possible prices. Remember, we saw 5-1. Yeah, we have 509. We have the market grid has way beyond that. Okay, so this is the extreme resistance, and then this is the extreme support. So it's currently at 481. So it's between the resistance and the supports with a downward trajectory. So there's a chance it might print 475. But if it begins to come down towards 455, then the buying opportunity may, continue to improve. As things stand right now, the lower it gets towards these S values, the stronger the buying opportunity gets. There's a chance that if it prints 446.11 as things stand right now, it will pick up a bounce. Yeah, and people are watching. They are watching. They will surely buy this dip if it happens. Let's see now whether we have any validation of that sort of price. You can see here we have the 10 period moving average is support. Just so we have a strong support around that. You can see 446 here, and we have 447 here. This is its 4 period move. This is its 10 period moving average. Okay, let's see what we have again. Okay, we don't have anything. So yes, there's a validation of that. There's a validation of the possible. There's a reinforcement of that opportunity at 446 and 447. We could also just quickly have a look at its 2 hour chart. We might see anything. We're looking for 466. Nothing here. Okay, let's have a look at its 3 hour chart. Yeah, we have another one here. You can see 443. So further, we have three a validation. I mean, we have 449. So between 449 all the way down to 443, we have, if it gets there, surely, some people will open their purses and buy that deep. I think we haven't looked at the 1 hour chart. Let's see what we have here. 4 4 nothing. Okay. So yes, from 449 all the way down to 443, there might be an opportunity to buy that deep if it cools all the way down there. So just see what you make of LITE, and Thank you very much for watching this video.